I'm very nice. I'm a gentle human. I'm very kind.
ಎಂಗಲ್ಲ ಮರ್ಯಾದೆ ತೆಪ್ಪುಂಡು ನಾಲ್ ಒರ್ತಿ ಆ ಒಲ್ಪಲು ಪಾಡು
Such a good person, innocent she is.
ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್
very innocent.
Good things about him, yeah, he's patient. And he's patient. And he's patient with me. That's all that is required in our relationship, which he does. So it's okay, super. We have been together for around like 2-3 years. And yeah, and we're getting married. And he is Chirapira Charapara. ಅದಾದ ನಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಚ್ಚಿ ಹಿಂಗದಾದ ಪನ್ನಡು ಬಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿಚ್ಚಿ.
So basically we met in Bombay and I really feel lucky to have her in my life actually. So she is a savior of the day anytime. Let's see how this journey goes ahead. I'm sure we'll have ups and downs but I think she would take me up.
मैं लहंगा चूड़ा पाके तेरी गलियां छिटुर गईयां वे मैं तेरी हो गई माही नी मैं तेरे संग जुड़ गईयां हो वे मैं लहंगा चूड़ा पाके तेरी गलियां छिटुर गईयां वे मैं तेरी हो गई माही नी मैं तेरे संग जुड़ गईयां माही दिल मेरा रखी सांभ के आंखों में आंसू शाम से ओ पिया पिया चल चले बात ले गम खुशी साथ में साथ में साथ में
ಪಾಯಲ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಪನ್ನೋಡಣ್ಣ ಶಿ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಜೆಮ್.
ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್
ಗಂಟೆ ಕಾಪುಡಿ
ಪಾಯಲ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರ್ಪೆ ಪಂಡ 2 ಗಂಟೆ ಬುಡ್ದು ಬರ್ಪೆ
always on time.
ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ ದಲಾಲ್
ಬಗೆ ತಿನ್ಪಿನೇಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಮ್ಮಿ
ಅಲ್ ಫುಡ್ಡಿ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಪಾಪ ಶೋರ್ಮಾ
ಏ ಯಾವ ಹಿಂಗ ಪಾಯಲ್ನ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಪುಗ್ಗರಿಯಾ ನನ್ನ ಒಂಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಲ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಎಡ್ಡೆ ಪನ್ಕ ಮಾರ್ರೆ ಪಾಯಲ್ ಇವ್ರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಆಗ 2 ಪಾರ್ತೆರಾ ಇನ್ನೋಸೆಂಟ್ ಡೀಸೆಂಟ್ ನಾಡ್ನಲ್ಲ ಬಗ್ಗುತ್ತಂಡಲ್ಲ ತಿಕ್ಕು ಜಲ
నీ ఉప్పేరుగా
నీ పప్పేనగా
నేను
ఇలా వాదులాడుకుంటుంటే
ఆ,
చెప్పండి చెప్తున్నా నేనేమన్నా వాదులాడుకుంటుంటే
ఇలా వాదులాడుకుంటుంటే సంసారము సాగదు కావున
నీవు నేను కలిసి సంసారము
సాగిస్తాము.
పాయల్ హ్యాపీ మ్యారీడ్ లైఫ్ లవ్ యూ
మిస్ యు పాయల్
Miss you, Payal.
All the best, Payal. We love you and happy married life.
I love you, Payal. You're my favorite. Yeah. Cut.